just like the given formula before, and then actually what you did is only equal the formula here and then copy the formula. Okay, you can just write formula 1 like equals a to the power of 3 plus 4 times x squared minus 10. Okay, and then you can copy this, place it here and here. Okay, let's say I did like this, yeah. Copy this and then you can just it will follow, yeah, the formula will follow. Okay. Okay, so the decision here is equals if. Okay, we have if condition here. Okay, if and then or first. Okay, when you click this or, then it shows you the condition. Like you need to input logical 1 and logical 2 and so on, and then close bracket. You need to state the condition first. The condition here is f b equals 0, b minus a less than tolerance. Okay, so the conditions given here is, the first logical is when fb equals 0. Okay, you can also look at your Excel, yeah. I use semicolon here because the semicolon is the separation here. But some Excel use comma to separate. So make sure that you use, you follow your Excel, yeah. I use the semicolon here. The second condition here is b minus a less than tolerance. So I can go with b minus a less than tolerance because I'll use this tolerance for all iteration. Then I'll lock this. Okay, you can press F4 or manually using this dollar notation. Okay, and then close the brackets, and after that comma. What is the true? What if this condition is false? What if this condition is true? If the condition is true, then we'll have stop. Okay? We'll have stop like this. Okay? You can add this later, but to make it faster in this simulations, I just if it stop or continue, yeah, like this, and then pause the brackets, and then continue. Continue means that the condition doesn't hold for now, so you have to find. You have to check it again in the next iteration. Okay, so if it is continue, or if you don't want to have continue or stop, then you can use 0, 1. 0, 1. 0 for stop, 1 for continue, for example. Or it's up to you, yeah. It's up to you because you made the condition, so it's up to you, yeah. Which one is here for you? So let's say I use. You can also continue with this, yeah. If again. Change this, yeah, stop by 0, continue by 1. It's up to you, yeah. If you use string or words or sentence or variable, use quote. But if you use number like 0, 1, you can just directly write 1. 1 means continue in this case, yeah. 1 is continue. Then you can check again if decision is 1, then I have to check this, right? I have to check this. Because I need to renew the P. I need to renew the A. So the A now is B, or the B now is P. So it depends on the value of F3. Okay. You can add here. There. I use M. Well, again, if on the same side, yeah. The next point is 0 and 1, right? Is it? Is it 0 and 1? The next interval, the first one is 0 and 2, and then the next is 0 and 1. Minus 10 is, sorry. What is the condition if FA times F3 bigger than 0? Then then what happened? Then A equals B. Yeah. stop here. When it reaches zero, then we stop. Okay, I'll repeat once again, yeah, sorry, because I just tried. Okay, for the first line first. First line, you got the same already?
Yes.
Okay, the tolerance set up here, yeah, 0.1, yeah. Okay, the decision, already like this. If or, and then the condition. There are two conditions of our or, which our stop criterion. P equals 0 or B minus A less than tolerance. The tolerance is the value upstairs. The value is here. The value here and the value up here. Okay. If G3 is my FP. Okay, you can select your FP equals 0, and the second condition will be B minus A divided by it should be divided by. Okay, we will stop in the 5 iteration. In Excel, Excel cannot stop by itself. Yeah, we need to identify it like it's 0, then stop. We can stop here. 5 iteration, and then the solution is 1.315. Okay. Now make sure that you got the first row. Same with me. Okay. The next is here. The next, the second iteration. So what we need to calculate is only the first row and the second row. Okay. Once we done in the second row, we can copy the formula. We can copy the formula for the next rows. For the next rows. So A now. We'll check the there are two conditions must be false. The first one, the decisions must be 1, right? The decision must be 1. If the decision 1 means if decision 1 means that we need to update our A or our B, right? Okay. So if and x3, which is the decisions, equals 1, and also the multiplications between FA, this is FA, times FP, red and purple, yeah, bigger than 0, okay, then I change the A by B. Otherwise, I keep the value of A. Okay, again, if the decision is 1 and FA times FP bigger than 0, then I update the A become D3, which is P. Otherwise, don't change the value of A or keep it D3, which is the value of A, the original value. Okay? Do the same for B. Okay? The same thing for B. Okay. The same thing for B. If x3 equals 1 and the FP times FB bigger than 0, then change the value of B become B, otherwise keep the value of B. Okay? And then copy the value of, after that, after you define your A and B, you can just copy this and place it here, and the remaining is the same. The 5 iteration. What is F3? then we got our solution is P. Yeah? Our solution is P. Where is our P? So here is the solution is 1.3125. But when we submit this, when we substitute this to our function, the result is not 0. It is minus 0.84. So you might be thinking, so this is not the solution. Yeah, because our tolerance is 0.1. You can increase the tolerance so that your answer will be more accurate. Okay, that's okay. Fix this first. After you got this, we'll increase the tolerance into 0.01 or 0.001. Okay, let me know if you need a formula, yeah, for which one. Right, divided by 2.